A lot of people ask me, how do you make money in the stock market? What stock should I buy? What price should I buy this at? What certain strategy, works for you in terms of making money? How much capital are you using? I get these questions on and on, every single day. Really, what I want to do today is share with you three key things that you want to focus on in terms of making money in the markets. First thing is you got to educate yourself about the markets. It's like playing a new instrument. If you don't know how to play the new instrument, you don't know how it works. You don't know exactly what you should do. And it's just like also playing a game. If you don't know the rules of the game, how are you expected to be able to consistently win, or in this case, consistently make money in the market? So educate yourself, get the necessary knowledge, learn from experienced traders or investors who have done through this or who have already gone through this, and they'll be able to guide you in the right direction. Now the second thing is a saying that a lot of people know about, but people don't actually practice that. So the key to making money in the markets is buy low and sell high, right? It's really as simple as that. But what I see most people doing is they buy high and they sell low. Why is that? Well, a lot of people, they hear about a good stock or hear about a good story, it's posted in the news, and they get in, and once they get in, the price drops, right? Why is that? Because the stock's probably already gone up quite a lot already. So buy low, sell high. The third thing that you can make money in the markets is you have to understand you cannot control the markets. You cannot predict the future. If you can predict the future, the direction of the markets, you and I wouldn't be sitting right here. So what can we control? Well, we can control the risk that we take, how much money that we are able to afford to lose. If we are able to control that and minimize that, then whenever a trade does not go in our favor, an investment idea doesn't go in our favor, hey, we're not affected too much. And when it does go in our favor, hey, just let the trade go, in as much as you can. Let the profits ride and cut your losers quick. And that's really the three things that I look for in terms of making money in the markets. Next week, I'm going to show you how to get started as a trader, or how do you get started in trading.